Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool just type the volume styles. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install, and now just open the app. Here on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just click here on the switcher, go to the volume styles and tap on the switcher to use the volume styles. Allow, click yes I agree, and here you can see all the available new volume panels. You can select one from these. For example, we'll try the iOS one, and now yes, can you see our volume panel is really close to the iOS one. Also we got here the waves, for example. Now we'll just check. Yes, can you see our volume panel's style has changed, and you can just try another one if you want. And now if you want to just turn it off, tap here to the stop, and here you will see that your volume styles is like default one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.